Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy XRP on Bybit Exchange. In order to do it, you just have to simply come to your Bybit account, and over here you just have to simply use the search bar in the top and search for XRP. Now once you are able to find XRP/USDT pair, you just have to simply select it, and here you need to make sure that you have some USDT in your account. If you have USDC, then you just have to select the XRP/USDC pair, but since I want to purchase XRP with USDT, that's why I have selected XRP/USDT pair. Now over here you need to make sure that the tab is on buy. Afterwards it will ask you to select the limit order or the market order, so you can place the order as limit order, and here you just have to enter the amount of price of XRP on which you want to basically purchase it. So here you just have to either enter the amount, or you can even just leave it as it is in order to place your order on the current price. So it can be up and down due to the fluctuations, so you can view the current pricing in the right hand section. Here you just have to enter the amount of quantity of XRP that you want to purchase, or you can even enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase XRP. You can even use this slider so that it could automatically insert the percentage of amount of USDT from your wallet. So after entering the amount, you just have to simply click on the buy XRP option, and then your order will be placed and it will come in this section. In the orders section, you will be able to see your order that you have placed. Now since it is a limit order, so it should have the exact value that you have entered over here. So once the price of XRP comes to the price that you have entered here, your order will be placed, and you will get your XRP in your wallet. So in order to get that, or in order to view it, you just have to simply tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and you can go to your funding wallet, and here you will be able to see your XRP. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.